What's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these heated socks. These are very high quality socks, super thick, also quite attractive in appearance. They come with these 2 battery packs, 1 for each sock, and you want to simply plug it in right there to charge this thing up. And you can also use these as a power bank. Just plug your USB-C cable into here, easily check the battery status right there, and this is what you'll use to charge them up. As you can see, there's 2 of these ends, so you can charge them both at the same time. The battery packs will go and sit right up here. You got this button here to control the temperature and turn them on or off. And there's this nice user guide right here that'll give you a little bit more information. It tells you just how long it works for. It can work for up to 10 hours at the low level. Otherwise, it works for a very long time at the medium level. I think most people prefer the medium level. So these are great for like snowboarding, just doing work outside, hiking, anything in cold weather. These will keep you nice and warm. It also comes with this bonus garment bag for the washing machine to make sure these stay in good condition. Highly recommend. Thanks for watching.